Welcome back to the 2023 Tokyo Motorcycle Show, and today we're going to have a look at a couple of lesser known Italian brands, as well as a brief look at the Harley Davidson stand. Anyway, let's get into it. FB Mondial is yet another Italian brand which produces its vehicles in China. They specialize in small displacement bikes and produce cafe racers, scramblers, a very slick looking modern naked, as well as an off-road model. Let's check them out. Harley Davidson is quite successful in Japan, and they have a large network of dealerships. They had a very large display at the motorbike show, and it was pretty much the same experience as going to a dealership. Along with Corona beer, Vyrus Motorcycles has somewhat had its brand tainted by recent events. Vyrus motorcycles are handmade in Italy, and if you're watching this while sitting on a golden toilet seat, you might be able to afford the Vyrus Alien, of which there will only be 20 units produced. So, if you're looking for a good way to get rid of all that extra money, get on the website and apply. You might be one of the lucky ones to be able to purchase one.